Hey, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to today's video. We are just about, I think we're 2 weeks out from, 2 weeks away from surgery now. The swelling's gone down, but obviously I still have a cast in there and my stents. I think I sound a lot less congested and everything. I can breathe a lot better, but you guys aren't really here for that. I'm feeling better, just like I got a little bit of a sore throat. But today we're going to be showing off this absolutely humongous deal, probably a good like 8,000 coins, like individual coins that we purchased over this last week. Very, very big, humongous. I'm gonna give you guys like a quick pan around of everything, and we're gonna kind of the videos. I'm gonna go through like all the boxes and kind of like show you what's in them and like all the cool stuff. But there are 31 boxes and then like some PCGS boxes and some other like some pages and some other crap, just everything. And so I'm gonna do a ton of videos over this entire deal, probably over the next week or so, just kind of like maybe a box or two, or maybe like one denomination per video. So yeah, should be pretty cool. Let's get to today's video. We're gonna show off the bigger coins, so might as well do it, right? So here's all the graded coins. There's not really that many, and there are only like a couple of NGC and PCGS. And then here we have all the boxes. They came in like 3 moving boxes. Extremely a lot of coins. And I mean, you can just, some of them are going to be upside down because I've looked through these and I haven't looked through these ones yet. But yeah, I mean, like there's like some quarters, there's, Lincolns, there's Indians, there's Jeffersons, there's dimes, Roosevelts, there's V nickels, Buffalo nickels, Standing Liberty quarters. I think that Washington quarters and Barber quarters. I'm pretty sure that's it. But today we're going to be showing you these 3 pages right here, which were out of the deal. They were, quote, the better coins of the deal. So we're going to kind of, take a few of them out and, show them off. Obviously not all of them. Like, some of these coins aren't as cool as the other ones. I mean, we got, what is that? 2 1877 Indian head cents. I mean, the key date of the series. An 09S, 2 09S's, the Indian and the Lincoln. So that's kind of cool. A shield nickel, some better Buffalo nickels. And then here we have some better like Standing Liberty quarters, and then some better Barber quarters, and then we have some more Washington quarters and Standing Liberties. So let's get to show those off. Alrighty, guys, we have the pages right here. I actually haven't looked at any of these coins like out of the flip, so let's take a few of them out and look at them. So like this one right here is titled VF35 Details. Okay, so this one just has like some rim damage going on. But other than that, it's like pretty solid coin. Probably just put this one up on eBay and see where it goes. Let me see. We have another Flying Eagle. This one's in VF. It's pretty nice. It's a pretty solid coin, actually. Well, it's nice to see like an untainted coin after seeing like an ugly one. So that's pretty solid. 1860 Indian head cent. Nice little XF details. I don't know if it's been cleaned or not. Just kind of, it has the details of a nice XF coin. That's what I mean when I say that. This one is kind of cool. Graded it oh, it's kind of like damaged. Looks like some XF details. Got some damage on this 1868. It's kind of sad, but, probably put it up on eBay, see where it goes. Somebody probably wants it for their set. This one is titled Good VG Details. So it's just really dark, it looks like. Got some details going on. Reverse isn't too bad, though. Again, a bunch of eBay coins, a bunch of just retail coins, retail friendly. 1875. Definitely some VF details on this. Just really dark. So, that's probably why they labeled it as a fine. We're going to take out both of these 1877s out, if I can get it out. If you guys hear my dog whining back there, hopefully he learns that it's okay to be left alone sometimes, This one's titled as good. Looks fine. No problems or anything. This one's titled as good as well. Looks fine. That's good. You know, no problems on these. So that's good. You know, you hope when you pay up for a coin that, you know, you get it without having, you know, it not being a details coin, right? Like, see, like this coin is 1868 or 1886, sorry. In XF, this is a nice coin. You know, this is a nice chocolate brown XF coin. I bet it's not as dark as it looks on camera, just because it looked pretty solid. Here's a cool key date, or semi-key, I guess. An 08S Indian head cent. So this is pretty cool. And you can see the mint mark right there, the S mint mark, if you'd focus. It's nice. Whoa, camera glitched out on me there. Can't get it back in the flip. Here you go. All right, and then we have two 09S's. Have some grades crossed out on them and stuff. It's kind of cool. This one is labeled as VG. 09S Indian looks unproblematic for a VG. Yeah, it looks unproblematic. And we have the 09S. It was labeled VF, but they downgraded it to a fine 15. Just writing all over on it. Doesn't look that bad. It looks fine to me. Yeah, no details on there. You know, no cleaning marks, at least from where I'm sitting. And here's a cool coin. It's kind of a funky coin. An 09S in the Lincoln 09S. I think this coin's kind of a details coin. It's kind of, you know, funkily colored, but still, you know, key date, still worth some money. So that's pretty cool. Here we have the 1868 second date. Here we go. Let's just zoom in on this just a little bit. 1868 here. It's kind of got like that little black mark, which is kind of ugly. It has those little black marks on the back. Kind of has like some luster on the back. Kind of more of like a AU coin on the reverse there. The obverse is kind of ugly though. That's okay. Alrighty, we're back. I guess after 5 minutes of filming, the quality just gets bad. 1913S Type 2 XF details. Kind of a cool date you don't see too often. This one's not too special. 1916D, titled it VF details as well. Looks like a pretty solid coin on the obverse. The reverse is kind of ugly. Nothing too crazy there. We're gonna grab out the rest of the Buffaloes and kind of show them off. 1919S and VF. Yeah, it looks fine. It's pretty cool. This is the first time I'm seeing these coins as well, guys. Like the backs of them and everything. So here's a 38D in Unk. I don't know about 63. Oops, 61 now. But yeah, it looks pretty solid. That one looks fine. The Roosevelt dimes, I'm not gonna take the time to really pull those ones out. Probably just sell them as is. This one's got some nice toning, and this one is white, so that's pretty solid. Now we're gonna move on to the quarters. This I'm not gonna show off this one either. It just takes too much time to take it out and show it. 50S, cool. This is a nice coin. Wow, cool. 1892, labeled as XF. Looks more like a harshly cleaned neck grade VF. This coin's been harshly cleaned, I believe. Let me double check this and I'll let you guys know. Oh yeah, definitely harshly cleaned with like a wire brush or something. Probably gonna send it off to a new home as soon as possible. This 1892 does have that little scratch mark right there on the face. You can see it. But other than that, yeah, just that big wipe. This coin's been cleaned as well. Got some nice toning there on the reverse. Not terrible. You know, it's not like, it's like, oh, that's ugly. You know, so it's not terrible. That's fine. Here's a solid coin. With scratches, it's labeled. Let's see the scratches. Okay, there's like some light scratches on there. Okay. Okay, there's like a couple scratches, but it's not really that bad of a coin. Like it faces up really nice for having the scratches and being like fine, but it's actually not that ugly. Really not ugly at all. 1902 in fine. Got some nice cleaned and then toned over toning. Alrighty, everybody, we are back, and this time with no dog. So let's show off all of the Standing Liberty quarters that we got. I believe pretty much every coin left is a Standing Liberty except for some Washingtons. So here's some Type 2s, or I'm sorry, 1917 Type 1s. This one's VF. Kind of been dipped out, but you know, it's not too bad. This one's got some nice, it actually has some luster on it. It's kind of a nice coin. I'd be able to even push that up to an AU coin. Kind of doesn't have enough like details, but it's still really nice. So that's a really solid coin. You know, like that's a nice coin. It's a coin that you're happy with. We are back, and it is time to finish off the rest of this page. So here we have kind of a bigger coin. This coin is doesn't actually look that bad at all. 1914S quarter in XF, obviously really solid, actually, not even gonna lie. Cody, hey, what's going on? Sorry guys, got the dog going nuts in the background. I don't know what he's doing. This coin obviously been dipped out, really flashy. Oh, it's been cleaned as well. Still an AU bar recorder, so it's still kind of cool. So not really that bad. Kind of a common date. I mean, 1916. We got two of them actually, both in AU, both kind of ugly too. This one actually has some nice luster on it. Really dark. But I have it in now, and so it should be much better. This is a kind of a details coin, but it is a Type 2, 1917S Type 2, so that's pretty solid. Here is a 1918D, and there's another one, so let's pull both of them out, might as well, right? See kind of like a trend here where one of them's like white and polished. Oop, I guess it's on the front. And then the other one is like nice and original. I prefer this kind of look over this look, unless it's like a BU coin. But hey, can't win every single coin, right? You can win most of them, but not all of them. Let me see. I guess these last... I don't think these last three coins are that big. Oh, I guess this 1919D is. Wasn't even really paying attention. 1919D, Standing Liberty. Kind of like white, but honestly looks fine. Might even grade out. Probably not, but maybe at NGC it might grade out. These last two are nothing really special. Just kind of a 1920 in XF condition. Might even make it into AU, depending on that head. And then a 1923 in XF. This one's a little bit flatter in my opinion. So I think that one's definitely more XF-y. Yeah, this one's more AU in my opinion. Ha! Look, I called it the wrong one. Well, there goes my credibility, right? I mean, this reverse is actually just nicer. The reverse on this coin is nicer. Usually it's the other way around. Wow. Huh, what do you know? What do you know? Okay, wow, cool. So we have some cool coins here. A 1923S, week date, apparently. And then there's a 1924D, as well as a 27S and another 27S. 27S is kind of ugly. That one's a little bit better. That might be, I don't know, they're kind of the same. This 1932 D over D is kind of cool. The varieties are always fascinating, you know, but for 35 bucks, you know, that's really expensive. So we're going to have to obviously, you know, triple check this. No, I could see the D over D from here with my eyes, so it's pretty solid actually. Let's take out these two earlier date uncirculated coins. These ones are pretty nice. I like how these 1934s look. You know, very kind of like flat almost like it's like fake. Obviously it's real. Don't be saying I buy fake coins. Obviously it's real. But they just have like a much different look than 37 and 40s and all those dates. Anything after like 35's like kind of close, But after that, it's just kind of like totally different. Like, look at this coin. You know, this coin is a totally different coin, pretty much. Oh, sorry. Oh, well, that flip broke. That's okay. They're pretty old anyways. You know, that's okay. And the last two coins of the, quote, better coins are both some mint state quarters. We have a 43S with some nice toning. Looks like it might have some PVC on it. It's okay. Reverse is pretty nice, kind of like that orange sunset vibe. Probably from the PVC, but you know, so you know it happens, right? 46S, pretty solid. Definitely a better date and just even BU. So that's pretty nice. Obviously, I don't know, you know, probably not gonna get any of these coins graded, but I did just want to kind of show, you know, show them all off, and kind of just, yeah, just wanted to show off the start of the collection. And then we have the rest of the coins here. I picked up an Amazon package in between clips. We have the rest of the coins. So I will probably do one type coin at a time, and then we will just go from there. So let me know what type coin you want first. You know, go back to the very beginning of the video, and you can pick which type off of the ones that I said. But all of them will be filmed and put up. I will probably just do the slabbed coins first, and then this special bag back here has some coins in it as well. Probably make those one video, probably. Yeah, maybe two videos, maybe like 2 boxes. That'll be pretty quick. There's a lot of generic stuff in there. These are pretty cool. These little flips on top with random coins in them. And then obviously, I mean, we just have like, look at, I mean, like we just have, you know, there's like 50 different types of like the same coin. You know, there's like 1897, 1897, 1898, 1898. I guess I grabbed 2 of the same ones, but you know, I think there's probably, hey guys, alrighty, so I mean there's like probably like 75 1912D V-knuckles, so that's pretty cool. Just a lot of different coins, a lot of cool coins. And yeah, I'm looking forward to showing it off, guys. So definitely stick around for that. It'll be a bunch of shorts and long form videos. So make sure and check out every single day. It's gonna be a new video. Hope you guys love it. Let me know what you want me, what you want to see, with the collection. If you want to buy it, text me. Feel free to message me, and we can work something out. Have an amazing day, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.